Welcome to Design.Draw.Create. In this video, I'll show you how to make this elegant Mother's Day card with 3D paper orchids. The supplies you'll need are shown here, minus glue. I forgot to include that here in this shot, and everything will also be linked down below. Start by drawing the circles in the middle of the card using your gold pen. Take whatever you're using to create that circle shape and place it approximately in the middle of the card to start and draw one circle around it. Then once you have that initial circle, move it slightly so that you get this concentric circle look, and do that several times until you have the look that you desire. I probably did 3 to 5 traces, I can't exactly remember, until I had some separation between the circles here and I had the look that I wanted. Then use your pencil to draw out the lettering inside of the circle. Once you've drawn out all of your lettering and pencil, use the same gold pen to trace over everything. And continue tracing over all of your pencil marks until you're done. I decided that I wanted the lettering to be a little bit thicker, so I went over it again with my gold pen. I gave the word mothers a bit of a calligraphy style script effect by slightly thickening the downstroke of each of the letters. And you can easily customize this card by simply changing the style of text that you're using. Then, as a final touch to the lettering, I used my thin black pen to outline everything. I find that this black outline for the lettering really makes it pop and stand out and is a nice touch. The next step is to create the orchids. Take your scrap white piece of paper and your pencil and draw out the 3 different petal shapes. Once you have them drawn out in pencil, use your colored pen to color in each of these shapes. I colored in the smallest middle part solidly, and then I did a dotted design on the other 2 petals to mimic a real-life orchid. Once you have everything colored in, take a small pair of scissors and cut out the petals. Once your petals are cut out, it's time to assemble. Take some glue and stack the petals on top of each other and bend them up slightly to give it a 3D effect. As a final touch, I added a yellow rhinestone to the very center of the orchid. And once you've done that, your orchid is complete. Repeat that 2 more times to create the 3 different orchids. I varied the size slightly, so I had 2 that were approximately the same size and 1 that was slightly larger. Now it's time to assemble your card. Take the 3 different orchids and lay them out how you would like them to be on the card initially before you glue them on. As you can see here, I kind of played around with the placement until I got them in the spots that I wanted. And once I was happy with the placement, I glued them on. Once the glue is dry, your card is complete, and you have a really unique Mother's Day card.